Judy, this is the first time that the 20-year-old suspect has appeared before a judge since January, and the victims' families were present today crying out, seeking justice for their loved ones. 28-year-old Bryan Kohberger and his attorney stood silent before a judge today during his arraignment when asked how he pleaded to the charges brought against him. The judge entering a not guilty plea on Kohberger's behalf.
Ms. Taylor, is Mr. Kohberger prepared to plead to these charges?
Your Honor, we will be standing silent.
Okay, because Mr. Kohberger is standing silent, I'm going to enter not guilty pleas on each charge.
Kohberger is accused of murdering University of Idaho students Kaylee Gonzalez, Madison Mogan, Zaina Kernodle, and Ethan Chapin. Some of their families very emotional in court.
This is a family that's going to make sure he doesn't get away with it.
A grand jury indicted Kohberger last week with 4 counts of first-degree murder, enabling the prosecutors to avoid their planned preliminary hearing.
This is actually a blow to the defense because the state would have had to present evidence. The defense would have had time to question the witness and get information about what the state actually has in their possession as far as evidence.
Authorities have repeatedly called this a targeted attack. Kohberger's former public defender tells ABC that the grand jury indictment could work in Kohberger's favor.
The less information that's given to the public and talked about in the media, it certainly protects Bryan's right to a fair trial and his due process rights. The concerns obviously are that they didn't get the opportunity to cross-examine witnesses at that preliminary hearing.
And a trial date was set for October 2nd. Now, the prosecution has 60 days to file notice if they plan to pursue the death penalty.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC 7 Chicago Eyewitness News.